We had unboxed and restyled Holiday Barbie in our last video, and of course I didn't want her without a partner. So we got Holiday Ken JGK56 on Amazon for $32.40. Just a little bit cheaper versus $33 on Mattel Creations where he sold out early. And Amazon's a better option because Club 59 membership is not required. Plus, Amazon ships to my country. This is one of the first Holiday Kens ever, and I wanted to have one, and he's my top choice, so here he is. He is so handsome, I can't wait to check out his outfit, so let's get him out. I couldn't think of any better option to open this box without damaging it, so yeah, I guess we'll just let the box go. I think the backdrop is nice. Too bad it's got slits instead of folds that can easily be covered, but you know, we'll find something to do with this. And here's Ken out of the box. He comes with this acrylic stand with a black base and the certificate of authenticity. In our previous video, we mentioned that this is the same face mold used for Ocean King Ken, and yep, I'm confirming they're the same. And I think this face mold is called Julio. I don't have this face mold yet in our collection, and that makes him extra special. Also, this is my first Ken with the model Muse body. I wish he had more articulation cause now he only has 5 points. Our doll has movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. This Ken is wearing a gold suit. The inside is not lined, though you can see that the edges are finished. And it looks like it's being held close by a plastic stay, and there's a black faux button here in front. I want to see what this looks inside, so let's cut that open. You can cut this with scissors, but if you're using a blade or cutter, just be extra careful not to damage the fabric. Alright, so inside, he's wearing this sleeveless white shirt. You can see that the edges are also finished. His collar has a nice thickness, and initially I thought this closes with Velcro at the back, but it's actually in front. Also, it's stitched here at the top, so you may have to use scissors to cut it open. So if we take off his pants, you can see that there's actually a garter that's holding the shirt in place, and it's stitched here at the bottom. And he only has 2 strips of Velcro holding it closed. His bow tie is actually sewn separately, so even if we undid the top part, the bow tie stays on. Let's see if we'll be able to take this off. Yep, all good. So he's wearing this black pants. You can see that it's stitched here at the top, and this closes with Velcro at the back. And I like this pair of black loafers he's wearing because it's a distinct left and right pair. Looking at the back of our doll, you can see his SKU here is JGK56. So aside from all that, our Ken does not come with any other accessories. He has a slicked back hairstyle similar to the other Holiday Kens. In the promo pictures, I thought it's brunette or brown, but it's actually a little blackish to me. Also, we mentioned in our previous video that they have painted sides and back, and compared to the hair of Lux 18, his is obviously thinner. This doll has brown eyes and neutral lip color. Honestly, I was a little let down that all of these Kens have the same hairstyle, because I thought there's going to be some variation, but no. This doll has a slightly reddish skin tone, and I want him to be on a made-to-move body, so let's check which of our Kens can donate. I thought about having him on a buff body, so Lux 18 was an obvious option. However, you can see that he's several shades lighter, so unfortunately, Tate's a no-go. So Tate, you're safe. Next is Fashionista 236. Actually, this is 236 on Lux 17. He's been a donor to several rebodying we've done in our older videos. Comparing their skin tones side by side, personally, I can tell that they're not a perfect match. But it's a much better option versus Tate. And I love having 236 on Made to Move, so if he is the only possible closest match, he and Julio will have to share this body. We also have Tate on Lux number 5's body. I got him from an online reseller, and I'm noticing this just now. It looks like he's just a regular counterpart of the buff body of 18. And just like 18, he's also several shades lighter, so yeah, that's a no. Last is Be More Tango. I honestly thought he would be the best match because he has a warm skin tone. But seeing them side by side like this, you can tell that Tango's a little bit warmer versus our doll. He is so much warmer than I thought, so yeah, that's a no. And from the looks of it, looks like Fashionista236 will have to share body with Julio. Let's remove the head. I thought I would have to modify the neck peg, but it's so easy to remove Ken's heads versus Barbies. And let's put the head on. So looking at the color of the head and the body, you can notice a difference, but if it's far apart, you can barely tell. I'm gonna have to remove these clothes so we can have him wear his holiday outfit. And since this is a totally different body type, I hope it won't be an issue. The white shirt fits well without modification, so that's good. How about the pants? Pants fit good. And lastly, the jacket. Okay, that looks perfect. Even the shoes fit so fine. The only thing that semi-bothers me is that we could not close his jacket. I wish this closed with Velcro or maybe a snap or hook and eye, but you know, we can always modify it. Speaking of modification, I didn't think of getting the redheaded Midge because it's nowhere near possible for me to find her. And I'm not a big fan of chasing. So we are going to have our looks number 20 Andra as our redheaded stand-in. Sometimes I feel bad not getting access to the rare releases like the Chase Midge, but I just think perhaps we could find a replacement or we could just modify any of our existing dolls if needed. And that really helps out with my FOMO. And here's Andra with Julio, completing our golden holiday pair for this year. I absolutely love this face mold, and with this new addition, expect that he'll be around a lot in our future videos. Let us know in the comments below if you have him in your collection, or if you got any of the other holiday Kens. Thank you for joining us in unboxing and rebodying our first holiday Ken. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.